Yes, class 12 student, chapter name Electrochemistry, Unit 3, NCERT Part 1. Okay, so Electrochemistry, this unit or chapter name belongs to the physical chemistry branch. Okay, now today this is a part 1 video of this chapter. Okay, so first we will begin this video with the general introduction of electrochemistry. What is electrochemistry? Electro means electron or chemistry means chemicals. Okay, simple. Now electrical energy plays a very important role in chemical reactions. Now what is electrochemistry? Okay, electrochemistry is it is a branch of science which deals the production of electricity, right, from energy release during spontaneous chemical reactions and the use of electrical energy to bring about non-spontaneous chemical transformation, and this is known as electrochemistry. Okay, so what is here two word is coming कि non spontaneous. Spontaneous means natural, right? Or non-spontaneous, it is a reverse of natural process. Clear? So this is a concept of electrochemistry. Now this chapter all electrochemical reactions based on a redox reaction. This redox reaction which we have learnt in class 11th. All right. Now okay, so what is redox reaction? First we will understand. Okay, here just we will refresh you what is redox reaction. Okay, so see this, what is redox reaction? Now redox, see chapter name is electrochemistry. Okay, second redox. So redox reaction, this is a keyword. So when a chemical reaction proceeds for oxidation and reduction, okay, occurs simultaneously is known as redox. Red means reduction, ox means oxidation, right? So here we are taking simple, this is copper sulfate electrolyte solution, and in this solution we are putting a zinc rod, okay, and it get warms. So see this, why? So see this is a zinc, it is a solid, see the chemical reaction, and copper sulfate, okay, see this arrow, zinc ion aqueous plus copper ion. Okay, here you will get this. This is the equation. Copper sulfate is converting into copper solid. Okay, this is a reaction. This is a electrochemical reactions. Okay, this is a keyword, redox reaction. So see this first half reaction, zinc solid is converting into zinc ion aqueous. So here what is going on? This is first half reaction. First half reaction, it is a oxidation reaction. Oxidation, what is, why? Due to de-electronation. This is a due to de-electronation process. Loss of electron takes place, right? 2 electron is losing, that is a oxidation reaction. And zinc is also oxidizes into zinc ion. Now second one, copper sulfate, we are writing in form of ions, copper ion. Okay, it gained 2 electron like this, and copper solid. So this is the gain of electron, yeah, re-electronation. So this process is known as reduction. So second half cell, this is our first half cell, it is our second half cell. Second half cell reaction, it is our first half and second half. So see, these electrons are same, cancel, cancel. So this reaction will left, ionic form, zinc solid. So it is oxidation, it is a reduction. So first half reaction is oxidation and second half reaction is reduction. That is why this is known as redox reaction. So here I have refresh you, we can explain oxidation here on the basis of electronic concept or oxidation number method. Okay, so here we have explained on the basis of loss of electron. So loss of electron, oxidation, gain of electron, and reduction. So simple, we can write this reaction like this: zincine aqueous, yes, zincine plus copper solid. This is a complete cell reaction. It is a complete cell reaction. Okay, so this is a concept of redox reaction. Clear? So now next point is, we all know that large number of chemical reactions and biological reactions takes place in form of redox reactions. Okay, they are all takes place in form of redox reactions. Clear? So here is example: combustion of fuel. Okay, combustion of fuel means in our motorbike, cycle transport we use, right? Or combustion of hydrocarbon, they release energy. Okay, so burning of fuel for obtaining energy, and the purpose is domestic use, transportation use, or industrial purposes. Okay, so LPG gas, domestic use; petrol, diesel, combustion of fuel is the transportation, and third one is industrial processes. And we also, right, they are all redox reaction, is right. Next in next example we will take a very example is photosynthesis. Okay, so in photosynthesis means in photosynthesis what happened? Capture of sunlight for obtaining, for photosynthesis. Okay, from capturing of sunlight from the sun, this takes place in sun photosynthesis. This is example also the redox reactions. Another example, digestion of food, it is also redox reactions. Now in industrial process, many metals can be obtained by electrochemical methods. They are sodium, aluminum, magnesium. Okay, these are the metals by electrochemical method we can obtain. And many important compounds, okay, like sodium hydroxide, chlorine and fluorine, etc. So these compound we can also form by this process. So point is here, so if we see this chapter in what are the content of these topics, see, we will study in this electrolytic and electrolysis, right? So what is electrolytic and electrolysis? This is for second point, electrolytic conduction. Third point, we will study in the electrochemical cell or galvanic cell or voltaic cell. Fifth one, we will study about the batteries. Okay, operation of the batteries, primary, secondary batteries, corrosions, and fuel cells. Now what here in this chapter, there is a good quality of fuel cells. Now fuel cells, they have a good high efficiency, they have very high efficiency, eco-friendly and less quality. Okay, so this is a quality of fuel cells, means they are less quality or eco-friendly and efficiency is very high. Okay, so these are the content of this chapter. So now this is the importance. And next, very important in our body, means sending signals. If a cell is sending signal to your brain, okay, this is also the electrochemical phenomena. Many cells, they are sending signal to our brain, so this is also the electrochemical phenomena. So so here we explain this. So in fact redox reaction keeps us live. Okay, so means, so this is all about general introduction of electrochemistry. Now we are coming the next point, what are the content. This electrochemistry we will study, we see this, there are 5 aspects of this. Okay, 5 aspects, what they are. Number 1, if we see this chapter, so we study this chapter in 5 axes. Number 1, electrolytic cells and electrolysis. This is the first topic. And second, electrolytic conduction. Electrolytic conduction. This is the second thing. Third thing in this chapter is galvanic cell. galvanic cells or voltaic cell or electrochemical cell, right? Now fourth one, batteries, okay, and fifth one, right, in this chapter is fuel cells, and next one 3 4, this is a one, this is second topic, and this is third, and battery is fourth, fuel cells, and sixth one is corrosion of matter, corrosion of matter, corrosion of metals. Okay, so this is contained about this chapter. 6 main, this is 6. So first main aspect, if we see this chapter, electrolytic cells and electrolysis, electrolytic conduction, galvanic cells, batteries, fuel cells, corrosion metals. So this now we will take up one by one. In next video, this is a part 1 video. In part 1 video we have just introduced this chapter, and the concept of redox reaction is very important. Okay, so all electrochemical reactions are based on powerful 2, that is a redox reaction. Now electrochemistry, the main content, number 1 is electrolytic cells and electrolysis. Second one is electrolytic conductions. Third one is topic, that is galvanic cell or electrochemical cell. Fifth, battery. Fourth, batteries, fuel cells, and fifth one is, that is corrosion on metals, or corrosion of metals. This is a kind. So we will take up one by one. In next video, part 2, we will take up the first topic, that is electrolysis and electrolytic cells and electrolysis. Okay, so next video. So children, see you in next video. Okay, yes.